Welcome to part 3. I will show you how to build the forward frame section of the Sidekick. Let's get started. The forward frames are located on the right and left sides of the Sidekick frame. This is all the PVC pipes and fittings needed to build the forward frames. Each piece is cut, square, clean, labeled, and ready to be assembled. 2 1 1/4 inch by 26 inch PVC pipe. 2 1 1/4 inch by 22 inch PVC pipe. 2 1 1/4 inch by 21 1/4 inch PVC pipe. 4 1 1/4 inch by 13 inch PVC pipe. 2 1 1/4 inch by 11 inch PVC pipe. 4 1 1/4 inch by 7 3/4 inch PVC pipe. 2 1 1/4 inch by 3 3/4 inch PVC pipe. 2 1 1/4 inch by 3 1/2 inch PVC pipe. 4 1 1/4 inch by 2 1/8 inch PVC pipe. 10 1 1/4 inch tees. 6 1 1/4 inch elbows, and 2 1 1/4 inch cross tees. The left and right forward frames mirror each other. The forward frames will be built in sections. Some sections of the forward frames will be glued and assembled later during the final frame assembly. We will build section A first. Refer to the plans for the forward frames and follow along. We will build 2 section A's. Start by gluing the 2 1/8 inch, 3 3/4 inch, and 3 1/2 inch PVC pipes into the designated end of the tees. Glue the 26 inch and 22 inch PVC pipes to the tees. Glue the 2 13 inch PVC pipes to the tees. Glue the double T assembly to the 13 inch PVC pipes at the same time. Dry fit the T assembly and make sure it fits before gluing. The 2 section A's are complete. We will build two section Bs. Glue the cross T's and the elbow to the 21 1/4 inch PVC pipe. To keep the fitting straight, hold the assembly flat down on the tabletop for 30 seconds after gluing. Glue the 11 inch PVC pipes to the cross T's. Place both sections side by side. They should mirror each other. Glue the 7 3/4 inch PVC pipes to the cross T's. The two section Bs are complete. We will build two section Cs as shown above. Section C is the rear end of the sidekick. These will be installed later during the final assembly of the frame. Glue the elbows to the PVC pipe. Hold it flat down on the tabletop for 30 seconds to keep the elbows straight. The left and right forward frames are now complete. Be sure to watch part 4. I will build the floor for the sidekick. Thanks for watching.